worn out. Very tired. She looks worn out today. I am worn out after the long walk. Scorching. Very hot. The coffee is scorching hot. He wore a hat in the scorching heat. Challenging. Very difficult. This puzzle is challenging. Learning English can be challenging. Skinny. Very thin. The boy is too skinny to carry the bag. He became skinny after running every day. Youthful. Very young. The youthful team ran fast in the race. Her youthful laugh makes everyone happy. Boisterous. Very noisy. His boisterous laugh filled the room. The children were boisterous in the playground. Frosty. Very cold. The frosty weather froze the lake. The morning air was frosty and sharp. Outraged. Very angry. He felt outraged when he lost his job. She was outraged by the rude comment. Colossal. Very large. The elephant is a colossal animal. They built a colossal statue in the city. Pitch black. Very dark. The room was pitch black at night. The night sky was pitch black without stars.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!